Hi there, Sir EJ here. Today's video is going to be all about Google Classroom. This is the main Google application that we will be using in our online classes. Classroom was developed by Google to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. The primary purpose of Google Classroom is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. To get to Google Classroom, simply go to google.com. Make sure that your G Suite account is signed in. Then click on the Google App Drawer on the right side of the browser and click on the Classroom app. It is usually placed on the bottom part of the drawer. If you are not seeing Google Classroom on the app drawer, you can simply type in the URL in the address bar. Type in classroom.google.com. Again, be sure to check that your G Suite account is signed in. Our advice to BDS kids is to bookmark the Classroom application or bookmark all your classes. To bookmark the Classroom app, simply go to the page and click on the three dots on the right side of the browser and hover your pointer on the bookmark. Then click on Bookmark this tab. You can also click on the star icon on the address bar, or you can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-D. After doing this, a pop-up should show on the right side of the address bar. You can rename the bookmark so that you can be specific on the name. You can also add it in a folder for bookmarks so that it will be arranged. After bookmarking, we'll move on to the Classroom app. In Classroom, you'll see three tabs: Stream, Classwork, and People. We'll discuss these tabs one by one. On Stream, you'll see all the updates from the class. For example, you can see the activities that have been recently posted. You can also see your teacher's announcements, like upcoming deadlines for your activities. The Google Meet link for this class can also be found on this page. It is located at the banner at the top left side of the Stream tab. Next tab is Classwork. Now, Classwork is where you'll see all the assignments, quizzes, and materials that will be given to you by the teacher. You'll also see the topics or categories on the Classwork. If you have a question about a certain topic, you can comment directly under the question or material. You have the option to go to Google Meet, Calendar, and the Google Drive folder at the top right side of the Classwork tab. Last tab is People. On People, it's simple. You'll be able to see all of the people that are included in this classroom, your teachers and classmates. If you need to email your teacher, you can simply click the email icon and it will redirect you to Google Mail. So that's about it. Feel free to explore Google on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from us. Thank you and have an awesome day.